The other big story we're tracking this Saturday, a day after he was brutally beaten up. Indian prisoner Sarabjit Singh continues to be critical and in ICU. Indian officials have visited him, and his family is now trying to get visa to visit Sarabjit in the Lahore hospital, where he is in coma after the brutal attack in Kot Lakhpat jail. Doctors are waiting for Sarabjit to stabilize before conducting further tests on him. Sarabjit has suffered injuries to his head and is said to have some sort of swelling on his face. Doctors suspect there may be other injuries as well. 2 prisoners have been charged and 2 officials suspended. Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh condemned the attack today, calling it a sad incident. For more, let's get in a word from our Foreign Affairs editor Suhasini Haidar, who's joining us live from our newsroom this afternoon. Suhasini, the Prime Minister condemning this attack. Obviously, diplomacy also at play. 2 prisoners, we've been told, have been charged for the assault. But of course, there will now be renewed demands for Sarabjit's return to India.
Absolutely, Simi, and remember that at the highest level in the past as well, Indian leaders have asked the Pakistani leadership to release Sarabjit Singh on humanitarian grounds. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh brought up the issue with President Zardari when he had visited Delhi as well last year. Let's first go across to Pallavi Ghosh, our Deputy National Bureau Chief, just to find out what the Prime Minister has said. Certainly, the Prime Minister expressing his concerns this morning takes the focus on that Sarabjit case a step higher. Pallavi? Well, Simi, we'll certainly try to get Pallavi's word in on just what the Prime Minister said. Remember, we are seeing reports coming from Pakistan now. The Indian External Affairs Ministry and the Foreign Office have also been in touch over Sarabjit Singh's condition on 3 counts, really. To begin with, it is his medical condition that remains the cause of a lot of worry. He is in a coma. We understand those 2 officials did get to see him in hospital at about 2 a.m. Last night first, and they keep up with what they call the medical board that has been constituted for Sarabjit Singh at the Jinnah Hospital in Lahore. We understand he is being fed through an IV drip and has responded, doctors say, to some stimuli. This is certainly not hopeful news as of now, Simi, but doctors are hoping that he will recover, that he will come out of this coma with the right treatment. The second part has really been for his family. You heard from his sister Dalbir Kaur, the rest of his family wanting to travel to Pakistan as soon as possible. We understand they will be reaching Delhi sometime this evening, and then they expect to apply for a visa with the Pakistani High Commission here and head there. The Indian Foreign Ministry also in touch on that count. And finally, that investigation that has now started in Pakistan into just how a high-profile prisoner like Sarabjit Singh, who has had threats in the past as well, was attacked right inside the Kot Lakhpat prison. 2 people now charged with that, but reports saying that there were more involved in the attack on Sarabjit, which was particularly vicious. They used bricks, they used sticks and razor blades and plates as well. Let's bring in Pallavi Ghosh now on what the Prime Minister has said this morning on the Sarabjit case. Pallavi?
Well, you know, he was, of course, speaking at an investiture ceremony in Rashtrapati Bhavan, and when we asked him this question, he said what happened there was extremely unfortunate and was very sad and didn't want to comment much on this. But, you know, so actually the politics already has begun. We've just had a reaction coming in, for example, from a Shiv Sena saying that the Indian government has spent so much of money on the security of Kasab. Why wasn't they able to get back Sarabjit? So it's been a complete failure of India's foreign policy, and I think this is going to be increasingly the kind of voices which we are going to be hearing in the days to come. When Parliament reconvenes on Monday, we can be sure that most of the MPs, particularly not just from Punjab, but of course across the opposition spectrum, will use this as a weapon to hit out at the government, often accusing it of having a soft foreign policy and at times being extremely soft and weak-kneed as far as the reactions to Pakistan is concerned.
Absolutely. Pallavi Ghosh telling us that the PM did make a statement this morning, but it's the political fire that the government expects to now get over the Sarabjit Singh case. Certainly over the weekend, his family hoping to go there and the government hoping to see some headway being made on the investigation of just how Sarabjit Singh could have been attacked. Was it part of a pre-planned conspiracy, and how large was that conspiracy? Simi?
Suhasini Haidar and Pallavi Ghosh, thanks so much for that update. We'll continue tracking developments on the political front as well. Meanwhile, Sarabjit's anguished alleged family is pleading for help. They're also hoping to get a visa so they can visit him in Lahore. CNN IBN senior editor Jyoti Kamal spoke to Sarabjit's family.
कि इस वक्त उनकी कंडीशन थोड़ी सीरियस मानी जा रही है कि वो कोमा में है, वेंटिलेटर पर भी उनको लगाया गया है। तो आप किस तरीके से देख रहे हैं कि आपको कितनी उम्मीद बनी हुई है? जैसा आपने कहा कि भी वो तगड़े हैं और ये इन्फॉर्मेशन हमारे पास भी थी कि भी वो काफ़ी फिजिकली फिट हैं, तो लेकिन इस वक्त आप घबराए हुए हैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल, मैं ईश्वर से बस दुआई कर रही हूँ कि ईश्वर मेरा बच्चा राजी खुशी आ जाए, मुझे और मेरा भगवान उठा ले, लेकिन मेरे भाई को घर वापस भेज दे। अगर उसकी जिंदगी टूटी भी है तो भी मेरा परमात्मा उसे जोड़े और उस पर मेहर करे ताकि वो घर आ जाए। बस
यही उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि कड़ी उनके लिए इंतजाम किया जाए, सुरक्षा के लिए और उनके इलाज के लिए अच्छे इंतजाम किए जाए और जल्दी ठोस कदम उठा के उनको वापस हमारे पास लेके आया जाए।
और आपकी ऐसी भी कोई अपील है कि आपके लिए पाकिस्तान जाना फैसिलिटेट किया जाए कि आप पाकिस्तान जा सकें?
हाँ जरूर, हम चाहते हैं कि हमें तुरंत वीजा दिया जाए और आज ही हम पापा के पास जाएं।